Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to switch back to the classic version of Outlook from your new Outlook. To do this, you will have to open Outlook, and there are different ways to do it. One of the common ways to do it is using this toggle button to switch back to Outlook. Other than that, you can also go to the help at the top left corner and then click on go to classic Outlook. These two options does the same thing. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to use the toggle button. Click on this toggle button and you would get a prompt saying that use classic Outlook, and you will have to choose option which says switch back to classic Outlook permanently, and then click on continue. And with this you would get an option to submit a feedback. In this case, if you don't want to submit a feedback, you can choose the option which says skip feedback, or else you can use any of these options here and then submit the feedback. So I'm going to click on skip feedback, and now I should have my classic Outlook back on my computer. So this is how you can switch to the classic Outlook from your new Outlook. If you want to switch back to the new Outlook version, you can use this toggle button and switch to the new Outlook. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.